Okay, beta. The good morning, students. Today, welcome back. And today class is 7 social. This is the next. We are entering the fifth lesson. Is the Europe. Our lesson is the Europe. In this Europe lesson, before we are discuss about the oceans, worms, current like of the boundaries. We are discussing in the previous class also. We are discussing in the previous class, and today we are discussing about the Western Europe showing in the all around the Western Europe. In the Western Europe, see in this Western Europe what we'll see, the west lines. We can see the west lines. In the west lines, when the wind will be blow, when the blows throughout the year, also bring a ample moisture. We can see ample moisture in a northern and Western Europe. We can see northern and Western Europe. We can see northern and Western Europe. We can see. And in this, since wind blow from the seas, means when the wind blow from the seas, when they are having any time they will be blowing, sea will be near. The sea will be near when the wind blow from the seas. And the next, they carrying a lot of moisture. They carry lot of moisture, and the regularly causes rainfall. They regularly causes the rainfall. And they are throughout the year, the northern and Western Europe. They are having northern and Western Europe. And while it is a rain only a few months in our country, the rain is a few months, only few months only, no. Yes, there is few months in our country. But in the Western Europe, the sky is usually clouded, means clouded. When the sky is very total, it will be clouded. When the sky is very clouded. And the next, while we India eagerly wait cooler shower, the people Western Europe waiting from a bright of sunny day. And the next, the Western Europe also benefit in a other form of Gulf Stream. It is having as a Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream means they are having the good current is a very good for fishing, breeding. They are containing from the fishes food. They are catching the fishes like it is a very good. And they are having the fishes industries also. They are having the fishes, moreover fishes industries. Okay. And next, they are very developed in a northern sea in the Britain. It is a northern sea. It is developed in a Britain. And next, this part of, see beta, this part of a northern sea is called as a donor bank. This part of northern sea is called as a donor bank. And the next, the fish is an important part of food Europe, and fishing a very important industry in Europe. It is an important industry in Europe. And the next, we are discussing about Mediterranean climate Southern Europe. Mediterranean climate in Southern Europe we are discuss. In that, look at the countries of Southern Europe. They are having a Mediterranean Sea to their south, so are called as a Mediterranean climate. The land along Mediterranean Sea have a distance climate. This Mediterranean Sea having a long distance. It is having the long distance is called as a Mediterranean climate in Europe. And the next, the Mediterranean countries are southernmost countries. Europe has as a result, means in this having a most of the Southern Europe. We can see in the Southern Europe. In Southern Europe, what we are seeing, and winter are here too cold. Means winter in this Southern Europe, they are having the winter is a very cold. The summer is too hot, and they in this it does not rain. Means throughout the year it is not having the rain. And the next, the wet lines blow here winter month only. When the wet lines is blowing. It will be blowing in the end of this month. And the next, the wind brings rain to Mediterranean countries. The wind, rain is becoming as a Mediterranean climate. And the next, such rainy winter and the dry summer trembled. In the Mediterranean climate, several region contains a continents to having. Means in this having as a Mediterranean, means it is not having the dry. Why? There will be near it will be having as a sea. It will be having as a near sea. That's why it will be not dry up. It will not be dry up. And they are Mediterranean climate. When the Mediterranean climate, the climate is very cool. It is a growing as a juicy fruits. It is growing as a juicy fruits. They are different types of fruits. They are growing like juicy fruits means olives, figs, grapes, orange, etc. These types of fruits they will be growing. These types of fruits they will be growing in the land when the climate, Mediterranean climate will be changes. And the next we can discuss about the seasons. Suppose but in India we are having the three types of seasons. Moreover we can see summer, winter, rainy. We can see summer, winter, rainy. But in this European sea means we can see in the Europe we can see the four types of seasons. The four types seasons means we can see winter, spring season, summer and anatomy. We are having the four types of seasons we can see. The first season is the winter season. Winter season is we know about. It is a winter season is a very cold. The winter season is a very cold and thunder. And next, as the November approach begins to get a cold. It's November begins to get a cold. And the December onwards it's get very cold. December onwards it's very cold. November onwards get a cold. But December onwards it's get very cold. And snow begins to fall once in a while. And it snow heavily on the mountains. The snow heavily fall on a mountains. And less on the plain. The sun shines once in a while. When the sun shines while only it will be come out. But it's totally the winter season. No, it will be totally fall a snow. There is a no sunshine. And the next, but about that 9 or 10 o'clock, about the 9 or 10 o'clock after 4 o'clock it will become the sun sets. It come the sun sets. And over the sky make it even dark. It will be making as even dark. And the border level, the tree shirts the leaves in the winter stand entirely leafless. Leafless means when the trees will be standard means leafless. It will be not having any leaves. It will like only standard as a leafless. And the next spring season. The spring season we are discussing about spring season. The landscape begin to change a March comes. It begin to change a March comes. And the day get a longer and night shorter. The day get a longer, night shorter. The day get longer. The day get a longer. The night shorter. The night will be get a shorter. And the next, the snow begins to melt, a new shoot appearance on the trees. Means when it will be, snow will be slowly, it will be melted. And the fresh green leaves appear in colorful flower bloom everywhere. Means when the trees or the dry leaves it will be gone, no, that time the spring season, the new leaves will be getted, the new plants will be grown. And the next colorful flowers also will be growing. And the next field are plugged in spring sowing done season. Means a season means also they will be growing the crops. Which types of crops they are growing? Wheat and barley and rye, corn and sugar cane. These types of crops they are growing. These types of crops they are growing. And next, knowing about the summer. Now summer season. In the summer season, June to August. Where it is? June to August. June to August. And it does not rain much. There is a more sunshine. It will be having the more sunshine. And the next day are the longer means it will having the more longer. The night will be it's less. The light will be is less. And the 4 o'clock only at morning the sun rises will be come out at 4 o'clock. The morning 4 o'clock only the sunsets will be came. And the next, in the fact northern countries there the sun does not set all. It will be not having the sunset will be all. And the next, these countries called as a midnight sun. This side called as a midnight sun. Midnight sun. It will be having as a midnight sun. And nevertheless it does not having as a very hot. It will be having as a very hot. It will not having as a very hot. And it will be having the high sky. It will be having the high sky. It will be having as a high sky. And they are having as a horizon. They are having the horizon. They are having the horizon. And the next, the summer season is agriculture for Europe. The crops are manure in this season. There is no need for irrigation. There is no need for irrigation. And that is essentially show as sufficient for the crops. They are having the sufficiency. Why? There will be near to sea. No, they not more water. The water will be very sufficient. And the next, the summer crop ready to the doing the harvesting. It is ready to doing the harvesting. And see beta, in our country we having two agricultures. Yes, we are having the two agriculture. First one is Rabi. And the next one is Kharif. We two types of we are having. In the two types of winter is the monsoon season. Thus it is possible to grow crop from the nearly 8 to 10 months. It is nearly growing 8 to 10 months. And the next, on the other hand, the France and other European cultivating is possible for a 6 to 7 months. 6 to 7 months. It is having the 6 to 7 months. It is having the 6 to 7 months it will be having. And the next we are knowing about the anatomy. Next we are discussing about the anatomy. In the anatomy we are discussing the climate totally it will be changes. The climate will be totally it will be changes in the September. It will be total changes in the September. In the September to October, the trees leaves it will be having the red and yellow color. The turn off, when the trees leaves will be turn off in the red color to the yellow color will be changes. And the next, they begin to fall. They begin to fall and they begin to fall and they started to agriculture. They started to agriculture and the growing the more crops in the anatomy season. And the next, they are growing more when the animals will be having the animals to grazing the grass, and the more only they are growing grapes for juicing wine, juice they are jam like that like different types of they are using the grapes. The grapes are using for a different for wine, jam and juices like different types of they are preparing with the grapes in a anatomy season. Okay, and see beta here we can see season wise winter, spring, summer and anatomy. We having the 4 types of seasons will be having winter, spring, summer, anatomy. We can see in the winter season it will be totally ice. Already we are discussing in the winter season when the trees will be standard like why mean the snow is falling no, that time the trees will be standard. And the spring season, when the spring season means the new leaves and the plants which will flowering, it will be coming the new in the spring season. And summer season, when the summer season means sometimes it will be dry up, sometimes it will be when the trees will be there. And next anatomy season. Anatomy season means totally it will be weather, climate will be changes, when the climate will be changes. These three seasons after coming the anatomy season, these 3 season after coming the anatomy season. Okay beta, and today we have completed 4th season. You have to complete remaining tomorrow classes. Okay, thank you beta. Read the lesson first onwards. Thank you. 8 minutes వచ్చింది మేడం.